teenage fugitive Calvin Valentine led deputies through Wisconsin at 130 miles per hour, crashing a Range Rover linked to homicide.
Passing 92nd Street, speeds at 105, going up on 76th Street exit, 84th Street exit. Hotel pursuit, probably burglary, stolen vehicles here, 84th Street, 94 eastbound. Try this Range Rover, Adam John Henry 4307, Adam John Henry 4307. The two of them are running side by side here. Range Rover here, flat.
Has a flag, two Range Rover are still going side by side. 100 miles per hour and range, approaching range.
Speed 130, traffic PM. Who is primary on our side in that? Is it unmarked or marked? I believe 48 involved with that, 412 involved with it. I don't know who's primary. This is a left down, so we're backing them up on. Are we primary behind any of those vehicles? I'm trying to ascertain that right now, so we have multiple channels going up at one time here. Don't do deploy stop six, slow it more. SUV lane 4, it's sedan in lane 2. Traffic medium, speed 130.
Black male operator, early 20s. He's got a black hoodie on. Past the second one, white beanie on that other one. I'm up ahead here. I'm going to try to get to this, just past this next exit here.
Moving back over to lane 3, 134.
Got cuffs. I got it. Thank you. Hey, excuse me. I was trying to call y'all to tell y'all. Shut the f*** up. Hey, good. We're good. Hey, can you get my phone out the car? Please. We're good. I want to phone with my mother. She's in the car. I want to phone with my mother. My phone's in the car. Are you hurt? No. Please, I don't know if I'm hurt. Yeah, I don't know. Hey, I don't know. Please help me. I'm young. I'm a teenager. I'm a teenager.
Some good.
I'm a teenager. My name Calvin Valentine, 052606. Calvin Valentine, 052606. Y'all write that down, please.
Yep, we'll do it in a second, sir.
Y'all call the ambulance, please. Y'all please call the ambulance, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hey, can you pull I'm a teenager. Can you pull my pants up? I'm a teenager.
Flip around. I gotta get it from front too.
I'm a teenager.
Make sure nobody else in there.
Yeah, hey, can y'all get
over here.
I'm a teenager.
Take him over there.
I'm a teenager.
Yeah, well, too bad. I didn't see one in the woods. I'll call. Yeah, call him up.
You guys okay?
Yeah, we're fine.
You sure?
Yeah.
Did you wreck out? Did you crash?
Well, yeah.
He hit you?
He hit us.
Hey,
Stay here.
hey, Kenosha, get out of your car. Get out of your car and get in the meeting. There's more of them coming, okay? Yep. Come here. Come here. You're good. You're good. Hop in the middle right here. Stay there. Here, just stay there.
Get down.
Get out of the road! Get out of the road! Yeah, you're good. I'm gonna stay with that. You're good from the accident and all that? Okay.
Were they shooting or do they have guns at them?
Very 412.
No.
Okay.
The vehicle is cleared. We have the driver in custody. Okay. This vehicle was involved in a homicide, armed robbery, so that's why we have everybody here.
Calvin Valentine, 17, was charged in Waukesha County with burglary of a building or dwelling, operating a motor vehicle without owner's consent, receiving stolen property over $10,000, felony criminal damage to property over $2,500.